What is your East London? Is it a welcoming home, a bustling market, a supportive community, a busy office? How has it changed and evolved over time into what it is today? What opportunities, experiences, and possibilities are intricately woven into the fabric of this place? We, as participants of a collaborative workshop run by Beyond the Box and the 1to100 podcast, are eager to find out.
Well, I'm here today because I actually am helping out on the record stall here, which you can see behind us. And this is something that I do with my dad once a month. I got into buying records when I was probably 12 or 13 when I started secondary school. It was actually one of my best friends and his older brother. We would listen to garage music and we would go to the record shops in Roman Road and Whitechapel that were in the area and on Mare Street. And it's been the only way that I have ever known how to listen to music. So I've always bought, and eventually the buying turned into collecting and holding, and and then tastes change and things come and go, and so it kind of happened naturally.
So what brings you here today? What brings me here? The wonderful food, the wonderful people, and the wonderful vibes.
So, what brings you to Hackney today?
I'm actually here with my family. Yeah,
Oh, nice.
yeah. I've got 3 little ones and my girlfriend as well. So yeah,
Very nice, very nice.
we actually went to the London Fields lie down.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so we just finished swimming and we're gonna grab something to eat now. So
Nice,
yeah, nice.
wholesome
Yeah, little family day out. You know,
Yeah.
yes, definitely. Hattie's good for family day out.
For sure.
I think we'll
Basically, we sell health products. We sell things from hot pepper sauces to the sour drink itself. The sour drink and the hot pepper sauce are all, they've got no preservatives. It's a healthy juice. All natural, all healthy. And as you can see over here, we've got a board that tells you what are the benefits of what we sell. And it's a place where we get a lot of customers who want to stay healthy at all times.
Yeah, it's my first time really. I've been here a week. I'm from the north.
Yeah.
So just being out and about, I suppose, seeing different places. I've only ever been to Southeast, is it South? I don't know where I've been before.
And what about you?
I'm loving it. I've moved closer to East London recently, and I like it a lot more than West. Don't tell West. But no, I quite like East London. I think it's got more of a community spirit than other parts of London, personally.
That's good.
I've known Leighton for a very long time. I wanted to open a business in Leighton, so I did.
Okay.
There you go.
And how long?
This has been open 1 year.
1 year.
Yeah.
Business is booming.
Yeah. The area is getting great. Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
I'm a stall holder on Broadway Market.
Yeah. So how long have you been here?
About 16 years.
Oh wow, that's a very long time.
That is a very long time. Yes, I've seen this market develop from a grungy, nasty place to the kind of chic thing that you see today.
I just have confidence to interact with anyone. Before this, I share person. Even if you came here before 7 months, I see you and one way.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you feel like this is a safe place and
Yeah, it's good. It's very good place.
Yeah.
It's very safe area.
We used to be in the old school over there. Then we moved about 5 years ago, and we've been here for roughly about 5 years or 6 years altogether. When we started here, we're one of the minority stallholders here, and we never used to be able to sell that much hot sauces. But in the past 5 years, it's changed. We've got a lot of people coming in demanding hot sauces. Demanding hot sauces. And to be honest with you, it used to be a place where a lot of people come to, and it's changed. The clientele has changed. It's more mixed, And even the clientele that are European seem to be buying more hostels.
More adventurous.
Yeah, more adventurous. And it's been a lovely place to be.
Nice.
I grew up in Hackney, so
Really?
yeah, I'm a native person of Hackney. Yeah, it's changed a lot. It was a lot rougher when I was growing up. Yeah, it was a lot rougher. We had this market and everything, but it wasn't as cool as this now. The borough has more money now as well because of the influx of people and stuff. So I think there's more jobs and things that they never had before. So it's changed it a lot. Yeah, it's changed it. And the demographics changed a lot as well. There's a lot more younger people and working people and everything. So it's changed a lot.
Hackney as an area has always been an area that's been populated by working class families, and that has probably kind of changed to a certain extent. I know that through virtue of my own friends having experience being priced out in the area. So it is changing, and I mean, its proximity to central London is a big factor. So when you have people that are working in the city and want that proximity, and obviously there's a lot of very nice kind of period housing here, so it brings with it a certain demographic, that want to be here, and there's lots of green spaces and the canal and the River Lee, and so it's actually, you kind of can forget you're in London sometimes.
I've been in East London for 15 years. Yeah.
So, okay, so how has East London changed since you first been here?
Well, I changed a lot. I don't know. Well, yeah, it's probably a bit safer. It's probably a bit quieter.
Yeah.
But at the same time, it hasn't really changed that much. I as a foreigner, you still feel like it's home. So, in a way, I think it's changed, but the core of the community and the feel is still here, I think.
It's hard to pinpoint what it is, but it's kind of like when you step here, it feels a lot different to like other parts of London. Just I don't know, like the energy of people, like you can see smiles on people's faces, like, and they're very like approachable, and it's nice.
Leverage, I like diversity because if we go on countryside, I visit different one. There are most native peoples, and if we here in Leverage, I found every community here. It's density of diversity here.
Yeah, so
you can find different people, different beliefs, and interact with different people.
Nice.
And I really enjoy this.
Super good though, Broadway Market is a very unique place in that there are people from all walks of life who have stores here. It's also an opportunity for young people, young entrepreneurs who have an idea, a creative idea, to get themselves into the market, really.
Right. Okay.
So instead of having the expense of opening a shop, with premises and all that entails, they can have a market stall to see if their idea works.
I would like people to know that Hackney is one of probably the nicest, safest, and most culturally diverse boroughs in the whole of London. And there's a place for everybody in Hackney, and it's always been that way, and hopefully it will always be that way long after I'm gone.
Yeah. I think people are friendlier in the streets.
Friendlier.
I think there's more of like, you go in in the shop and they know who you are. Into that.
A bit more northern.
Bit more northern, if I'm honest, yeah. Bit more like village in Scotland, and I'm liking it. Yeah, I don't know, a bit more like multicultural than some other parts of London, which I also like. It's a bit less like.
So there's a lot of diversity.
Yeah, a lot
in
of
this side of East.
diversity.
Yeah.
A lot of friendly people.
It's just an interesting place, and you meet people who have totally different backgrounds. I mean, I have neighbours and friends here who, in my normal life, I would probably never encounter, and that interests me. And the vibrancy of this place is very, very stimulating.
To put it in a nutshell, I guess variety and something that's like unique variety and like a different experience, I guess. Yeah, and things that take you by surprise.
Yeah.
Like I see people that I haven't seen for like 7 years when I walk down the street, and it's like amazing. It's like walking down memory lane sometimes.
100%.
Yeah, and it's like it's people that have lived and worked here for like 20, 30 years, but then like this new energy coming in at the same time. It's a great like combination like it's like the melting pot, you know, of the East.
What can you say? Like, what does Hackney mean to you? What does the area mean to you?
Well, Hackney to me means pretty much my whole life because I've been born and grown up in Hackney, and I am the 4th generation of my family to be in Hackney, and I still live in Hackney. So Hackney is a big part of my life.
Yeah, wow.
It's home, really. I think that's all I can describe it as home. You know, it's changed a lot, but it's still home. Yeah, so all my family lives here still. I have to come here to visit people and everything. So yeah, it's home, I'd say.
It's an area that I love. I think we have a great quality of life. You are in London, but also you have that sort of village feel, which is really important to me. It's a very beautiful community. It's diverse as well, which I, as a French person, love. So I think that's what it means to me. It's a good representation of London, I think.
This is a place of great creativity and vibrancy. There are people from all kinds of cultures and backgrounds and ages, and it's very, very diverse, which is what makes life interesting. If everybody was the same, how boring life would be.
Hackney means everything because I've been to quite a few other places, but there's nothing like Hackney. It's been gentrified after the Olympics. It all changed. The whole gentrification changed, and it used to be a place whereby nobody wanted to come to, but now it's a place where everybody wants to come to. It's been in magazines, and I'm proud to say, proudly proud to say I'm from Hackney. I love Hackney. I'm not moving anywhere else.
Nowhere else.
Nowhere else.
Place for you.
I'm a proper Hackney geezer.
Through and through.
Through and through.